Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix any iPhone which keeps on restarting even after you restart the phone. So here's the problem. A customer brought his phone for fixing and then he has changed the battery. He went and buy one of these used batteries, not used but they are not original. So if you're having a problem with that, get an original battery. If that problem doesn't fix, sometimes when they are removing the battery, they tend to cut the cable here. If you see there's a little scratch over here, yeah, that means this cable over here is damaged. The cable that connects to the power knob which you turn on the phone. So there's a problem with that. So the phone keeps on looping because it's stuck. So what I done here was I changed the power switch, the power cable over here, which is connected in the iPhone 6 Plus, is connected over here, but with the iPhone 6 it's connected on the board over here. So if you're using it and then you can't go to a repairer or any place to fix it, right now all you have to do, your best you can do, is deactivate the power cable which is connected to the power knob over here. And then in the case of the 6 Plus, it's this one. You remove this and then you plug in your battery. Okay. But in this case, once you plug in your battery, the power knob is not going to work. This one is not going to work because I've removed the cable connecting to the board. So all you have to do now is plug in your cable, use your cable to on the phone. As you see, once it's connected, the phone comes on. As you see. So if I connect the power cable right here right now, the phone will start rebooting because there's a problem in that one. So if you can get it fixed, if you can get it changed, yeah, that'll be good. But if you're not available to do that and you can disable your phone, just go ahead and get that cable off. Everything is off, so the phone will move, but these ones won't work. The volume cable won't work, the vibrator won't work, but you can do that. You can do all that with this assistive touch here, which you can go and find it in settings on the phone, accessibility, and assistive touch. Yeah, you can turn this on and off anytime you want it, and you can use this as your volume key up and down, and also lock the phone. So if you're not in a position to take your phone to a repair shop or get it changed, you can do this at the moment and then it will be fixed. Okay, so if you want more videos, subscribe and you'll hear from me. Bye bye.